The last year was a very problematic one in Europe. We were facing terrorist attacks towards Jewish institutes, Jewish businesses, Jewish people as individuals. And I would like to say a few words about the connection between Keren HaYesod and the Jewish Agency on one hand, and Keren HaYesod and the Jewish communities in different countries in Europe on the other hand. Everybody knows that Keren HaYesod fundraises for Israel. Keren HaYesod fundraises, and the Jewish Agency is the agency who operates with the funds Keren HaYesod fundraises. We all know the activities of the Jewish Agency in Israel regarding absorption. We all know and witness the activities of the Jewish Agency in the fields of Aliyah, immigration to Israel, preparation for Aliyah, Aliyah fairs, information, airlifts, flights. Everything is done by the Jewish Agency with the funds that are raised by Keren HaYesod all around the world. In past years, we witnessed a variety of operations when Jewish people returned to Israel, to their homeland, from different countries. We believe that this is time to look into Europe and encourage and assist the people who would like to come to Israel. The Israeli government has decided last year to create a special new entity, a vehicle, that is a partnership with the Jewish Agency and the World Zionist Organization to deal with the issues of Aliyah, immigration to Israel from Europe. This special decision of the cabinet also underlined the role of Keren HaYesod to fundraise for this Aliyah special operation. This is all known and famous, but there's another element that I would like to stress, and this is the bitachon, the security needs in different communities. Jewish Agency is involved in that as well, with different technologies that need to be supplied and other things that maybe it's not so wise to elaborate too much. But what you see here basically is the move and the connection. On one hand, donors donate through Keren HaYesod to the Jewish Agency. These funds goes for Aliyah and Klita in Israel, but when there is a need in a certain Jewish community, the funds are going also towards this specific community. I truly believe that this is a reflection of what we all are, parts of Am Yisrael. We are all one. We have solidarity, feeling that expresses itself when there is need. In Belgium, it is exactly the case, same as in other countries. We work here, we fundraise here, and when there is a need, Jewish Agency and other Jewish communities around the world arrive to show their support and solidarity. We are all one. We are all one nation, Am Yisrael. And Keren HaYesod is Israel.